This is an ordinary player piano, such as you might see in wherever they have player pianos. But I'm going to show you something I have never seen before. This is a toy player piano. Let me start it for you. It's completely made of plastic, obviously a toy, but it is an absolutely standard vacuum-run player piano mechanism. This is not a simulation of a player piano. This is an actual player piano. It's just built as a toy. The only thing not original here is that, as usual, the rubber tubes were cracked and worn out, and I replaced them all with clear tubes because that's what I could easily get. And the back was formerly wooden, which is terrible because you can't see what's going on. So I laser cut an acrylic back. But just look at this thing. It has bellows, it has vacuum valves. That's the vacuum motor there. Just a little lower. Just mind-boggling that somebody would conceive of building a toy mechanical player piano. One more look at the back. Wow.